In a world where the future seems more uncertain than ever, the power to foster change rests within our grasp. Our planet is facing environmental challenges of unprecedented scale, from the relentless advancement of pollution to the stark realities of resource depletion. However insignificant it may seem, each action we take contributes to these mounting problems. Yet, it's within these very actions that the potential for meaningful transformation lies. Embracing an eco friendly lifestyle has transcended the realm of choice to become a pressing necessity. It's a clarion call for every individual to protect and cherish our only home. This journey to sustainability begins with the realization of how our personal decisions contribute to environmental degradation. From casually discarding a plastic bottle to the excessive electricity we consume, every aspect of our daily lives impacts the planet. By making slight yet significant shifts in our routines, we have the power to initiate a wave of monumental change. As we delve deeper into the implications of our daily choices on the environment, we find ourselves embarking on a transformative path towards sustainability. Adopting an eco friendly lifestyle is more accessible than it might initially appear, involving small but impactful steps to a greener existence. The essence of sustainability and zero waste lies in understanding and applying core principles that foster harmonious living with our surroundings. Opting for eco friendly products becomes less of a challenge and more of an intuitive decision. We start by seeking out items made from natural, renewable resources with minimal packaging that can be reused, recycled, or composted. This shift in consumption philosophy encourages us to support solutions rather than add to environmental problems. Incorporating simple, sustainable practices into our daily routines can significantly alter our ecological footprint. From using reusable bags and water bottles to reducing meat consumption, every effort counts. Moreover, conserving energy, minimizing water waste, and backing local eco-conscious businesses are steps that collectively lead us towards a brighter, sustainable future. Embracing an eco-friendly lifestyle yields profound benefits, enriching not just our planet, but our personal lives as well. The choice to live sustainably reflects a deep commitment to a healthier world, bringing about direct, tangible rewards, such as cleaner air, purer water, and a thriving community ethos. The positive outcomes on our environment from reducing waste and living sustainably are unmistakable. They lead to diminished pollution and the preservation of our natural resources, which in turn fosters a flourishing ecosystem. Beyond environmental health, adopting an eco-friendly lifestyle profoundly enhances our well-being, from promoting organic eating to reducing exposure to harmful chemicals. By sharing and practicing these principles, we contribute to a movement that not only benefits us today, but ensures a flourishing planet for future generations.